Come on, touch. No. Ah! Right, number 5. Can you sing Ain't Nothing Like a Heartache? Ain't nothing but a heartache. All right, number 2. Can you continue the song? All right, number 3, number 4, and number 5. Woo! Okay, that's not very nice. Huh? Why have you assumed the position? No! This is disgusting! But you know I don't know anything about this because I'm an idol and I don't go to the bathroom. But like, you know the type of poo-poos that come out like this. Okay, we've got Doug and Douglas. Okay. Whoa, excuse me, Douglas. I am professing my love to you right now. Do you listen to... I do love you.
I do love you.
I don't.
Oh. Oh, Doug is sad! Oh no, Doug! It's okay, you'll find your match one day. Doug! Oh! I'm telling you, this is a story about friendship. This is a story about life. Have you seen a family member recently? Go give them a hug. Have you seen a loved one recently? Go give them a hug. Have you seen a friend recently? Depending on the friend, give them a hug. Look, someone even walked in on you. Please. Oh. Does that mean they have 2 holes down there? Look, okay, that's not what I mean. It's like, did you forget women or anything? No, what I'm saying is that it's like, is this a biology lesson? I never took biology. Ah! Ah! It feels wrong eating while playing this game. Ah! Ah! Stop pulling my finger. What's the phrase? Oh, pulling your leg. Look, even the UB's waiting. Bye-bye.